There's a prefab home located on the East Coast with steel siding, a wood interior, and ceiling so high you could BYO trapeze. I have to see it. Stay tuned later in the video for a look into the sponsor of this video, Baselane, the premier software platform for real estate investors. I have no business going back to the East Coast right now. However, this is a real contender for the top prefab home of the year, and I heard a rumor the Kindred Spirits Quilt Guild is putting on a show. So, off to Charlottetown. Today I'm in PEI to show you one of the coolest prefab homes possibly in existence. It really is. Behind me is two Skalis from Lloyoll Prefabs, and what they've got is on the one side they've got the main house, and then that right there is the guest house. I've got almost full access to this entire property today, so what I'm going to do is we're going to go around the outside. I'm going to talk about some of the cool things they've got going on, and then I'm going to pop inside and do a home tour. Let's get to it. One of the things that comes up quite frequently in the comments is people want to know if they can put multiple modulars on one property, and for the amount it's discussed, it's not as common as you'd think. But this is a perfect example of, yes, it is possible, and these two homes are connected with a breezeway right there. So you can go from one home to the other without actually having to go fully out into the elements. You've got a covered section that you can walk from one side to the other. You probably don't even have to put on shoes. Let's talk about this exterior because it has a very rugged look. They've got the Corten steel and the black trim, which looks amazing, and it fits very well with the rugged coastline that I'm standing and looking at right now. Trust me, this is a perfect fit. Another thing that comes up in the comments quite often is, how will a home like this handle a hurricane? And last year when I was out on the East Coast, Jonathan from Lloyoll Prefabs had just delivered a model in Nova Scotia, and a few days later it got hit by a hurricane. He was standing inside the home during the hurricane and said there were no issues whatsoever. So these things are built for rugged terrain and they can handle it. So on the outside here we've got a sliding glass door into the living room. This is into the bedroom, and I think that's a bunk room right there, but we'll look at that when I go inside. One of the things that I really like about this home is the outdoor space. So they've got this huge deck that runs the entire front of the main home. You can sit here, have a drink, enjoy the view, do whatever you want to do. Maybe you play cards here, I don't know. But then it goes down the side and it connects to the guest house. It does a really good job of connecting the two spaces, and trust me, I think it would be easy to enjoy this space. I don't think I would have any problems doing it. As you approach this home from the back, it almost does look like one continuous structure, but don't be fooled. There is a breezeway going right through there. So if you own the place, you're going in that door. If you like your guests, you're putting them in here, or if you don't, maybe you set them up in a tent over there. Check out the windows on the back of the guest house, and that's because this is a hallway right here, and we'll go inside and have a look in just a second, but they wanted it to feel open and airy when you're going down the hall, so they put these windows all the way down to let in natural light. Let's see if it does the job.
And now a word from our sponsors.
Big thank you to today's sponsor, Baselane, for making this video possible. For me, 2024 is about trying to simplify and streamline, and sometimes to do that, I take a less is more approach. I recently went through my apps and had the realization there is one app for bookkeeping and another for banking. Why? While taking inventory of what I was using and researching how I could streamline in all areas, I came across Baselane, an all-in-one platform to help real estate investors achieve their financial goals. Baselane combines banking, rent collection, and bookkeeping to create streamlined workflows that save you time and give a clear view of your cash flow. With Baselane, you can create unlimited accounts for each property and set aside funds for security deposits, taxes, or better yet, maintenance. I have an enormous maple in my yard that needs a haircut. The thing is growing out of control. I know if I would have been setting money aside into a designated maple trim account created on Baselane for the last 12 months, I would have an arborist on my calendar right now because it would have been set aside for that purpose. But here we are. If you're looking to streamline your life and keep your real estate finances organized, Baselane is the platform to do it. Head over to baselane.com/carry to sign up for free and get a $50 cash bonus when you deposit $500 into your account. If you're already using Baselane, let me know what you think in the comments. This place is awesome. So starting with the entryway, right when you come in, of course, you're gonna have a coat closet there with storage up above. And then beside that, they've got a stacking washer dryer there. First door on the left is the bathroom. The bathroom has all the bathroom stuff. So you've got a vanity there with a really cool copper looking sink. They've got the black hardware, black hardware for towels on the wall. Check this out right here, a black toilet and then a walk-in shower, which I like. I do like myself a walk-in shower. The next space is the bunk room, let's call it. It's gonna be a pretty common theme on this property, but check out this view. 3 big windows in the bedroom to take in the ocean views. What they've got here is a built-in bunk bed above the bed, and the ceilings are so high in here, you probably could go 3 high for beds if you wanted to. They've just done a double decker, but I think you could do 3. Now over here, coat closet, and then there's a bit of built-in storage beside the bed as well. Moving on. Heading down towards the living room, about halfway down the hall, they've got what I would describe as a kitchenette. So they've got a sink, they've got a mini fridge there, a microwave up here, and they've got a full coffee bar set up with a toaster there. You're not going to be making a Thanksgiving dinner here, but you can definitely handle the essentials. So we've got a bank of drawers. There we go, 3 drawers there, and then garbage and recycling under the sink. And then above the counter, they've got 2 built-in shelves where they've put coffee cups, plates, bowls, and stuff like that. Here we've got what I'm going to call the main bedroom. Out of the 2 bedrooms, this one is more desirable. I don't know the sizes because I forgot my tape measure, but it's got the sliding glass door here. It's got more storage, a bigger closet. It's got storage up above, and you don't have someone sleeping above your head. So if you've got kids, they can go in that bedroom and then treat yourself. Take this bedroom for you. Last but not least, at the end of the home, they've got the living room. However, they've got a pocket door here. So if you wanted to have someone sleep on the couch, or maybe that's even a fold-out couch, you can create that bit of privacy with the pocket door. Check this out. This is probably my favorite indoor space. They've got a huge wall of windows there. They've got the sliding glass door over here with the windows above, and it almost just feels like you're in a greenhouse because there's the glass on both sides. There's so much natural light in here, and the ceilings are so high that it's just got a really cool vibe. On this wall over here, I'm looking at a big screen TV with built-in entertainment center, a ton of storage over here. So I'm not going to open the drawers because, again, this is someone's house. They've probably got perfectly normal stuff in there like books or whatever, but let's just leave it be. This is a very cool property. This is one of the coolest properties that I've ever been to. The outdoor space on this home and guest house is second to none. That is where I would be spending all of my time, weather permitting. It is just such a cool space out there. Ocean views, everywhere you look. It's a dream. This is a dream house. This is a dream house, for sure. All right, let's get to the walkthrough portion of this video so people can get a feel for the flow of the home. Okay, starting back at the main entrance, we've got the glass door letting in the natural light. Come on in, we've got storage with the coat closet there, and beside is the stacking washer dryer. First door on the left is the bathroom. There's the vanity, there's your tour guide with the walk-in shower and black toilet. Coming around, we get the first look at the windows going down the hall. Check that out. And then we go into bedroom 2. Bedroom 2 with the ocean view. Stupid. Now, there's the main bed, a ladder up to the bunk, and we'll keep cruising down past the kitchenette. There's that. How are ya? The main bedroom with the sliding glass door out to that deck that I like so much. Check that out. That is so cool. So we've got side tables on either side, built-in light, a reading light. I didn't notice that before. Now, going down into the main living space of the home, we've got a little workstation there. Windows, 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 windows. Look at that. Double sliding glass door out to the deck. And then you've got the built-in entertainment center with the TV in the middle. This place is unbelievable. If you're sitting there thinking, well, that was super, but what about the main part of the home? It's a good question. Here's the thing. I have never met these people before, and they're not home right now. For all they know, I could be some kind of lunatic. So they were nice enough to give me access to the property and the guest house, but the main part of the home, that's theirs. We're gonna leave that private. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.